Today I wanted to do a video inspired by the Taylor Swift album Evermore's cover photo. It's one of my favorite albums and it's 3 years old today. Priming my lids with a concealer for an even base. I set the concealer today for a smoother base for blending. Starting in the crease with a warm camel brown. Adding more warmth with this brick orange shade, keeping it in the outer third and going back and forth with both shades to get a super smooth blend. Using a warm copper with a gold sparkle on the lid, blending it out with a dark brown in the outer corner. Highlighting the brow bone. Time to copy everything on the other eye. You can go back and forth on both eyes at the same time if you want, but doing it this way, I can see if I like the look before doing it on the other eye. I need my makeup to last till like 9 p.m., so I'm definitely using a sticky base. Concealing anything I feel like needs more coverage than just my foundation, which is still pretty full coverage, but my dark circles are hard to cover. Foundation and glowy base mix for added glow to the skin. Blend out any creases, then set the face. Again, this makeup has to last all day, so I'm really setting it heavily. I get oily too. Framing the lash line and highlighting the inner corner. Bronzing a little to add color back to my face. Adding a ton of blush, I brought it up higher. It lifts the look of the face, allegedly lol. Highlighting, because I love a glowy, shiny cheekbone. Melting the powders. Lightly filling in my brows to define them. Using a clear wax to set them in place. Framing my lash line with black eyeliner. Using my favorite mascara. I know my left lashes look kind of weird. It's because I sleep with my face smashed into my pillow. Oops. Doing my favorite 90s nude lip look combo. Lighter center shade. This is my favorite lipstick. Thanks for hanging out. Go stream the Evermore album. 10/10 worth the listen.